of Tibetan independence. Let's celebrate 2013. Right now, Tibetans are burning for freedom. Not metaphorically, literally. They are setting themselves on fire to oppose Chinese rule in Tibet, to demand freedom of expression, freedom of religion, to demand that the Chinese government allow His Holiness the Dalai Lama to return home. These are the sacrifices they are making. Just this morning, two young Tibetans, one was 22 years old, the other was 24 years old. They set themselves on fire in Zatu, in eastern Tibet, and demanded freedom and the return of the Dalai Lama. Let us keep in mind their sacrifices, and let's continue to make our own sacrifices that we can make financially, economically, practically, physically, psychologically, and mentally, and take every action we can to restore the freedom of Tibet through this non-violent struggle. And once again, I would like to remind everybody that victory for the Tibetan freedom struggle is not a victory for Tibetans alone. It'll be a victory for the ecology, for the rivers of Asia, the water tower of Asia that feed billions of people around the world. It'll be a victory for non-violence. We can talk all we want about peace, but the strongest argument we can make for peace is by supporting a non-violent struggle to succeed. The day when Tibet is free, we won't have to argue with anyone that non-violence is the supreme